वालेकुम माय चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ईबे ड्रॉप शिपिंग के बारे में ईबे ड्रॉप शिपिंग गाइड विद नो इन्वेंटरी 2021 ड्रॉप शिपिंग एंड प्रोडक्ट सोर्स ebay.com. Drop shipping, also known as product sourcing, is when you buy stock from work from the same item directly to your buyers without ever handling them yourself. Dropshipping, where you fulfill orders directly from a wholesale seller, is allowed. ये eBay dropshipping what article helpful for you. eBay dropshipping के बारे में इस वीडियो में आपको बता रहे हैं. eBay dropshipping, complete guide dropshipping on eBay, learnworks.com. This video also for USA viewers. You can see what is dropshipping. What is a dropshipping? Business dropshipping is an order fulfillment method where a business required purchase sales order is then passed on to a third party. 2020 eBay dropshipping in 2022. Table of content. Think for dropshipping on eBay might be. अब उर्दू में बता देते हैं आपको eBay dropshipping के बारे में. It's really dead. What are the eBay dropshipping policies? How much does it cost? It is profitable, and what are the drawbacks? Is eBay dropshipping dead? Dropshipping on eBay is not all items. Amazon dropshipping is really amazing. You can. eBay is very much alive for real dropshippers. eBay's growth merchandise volume. eBay policy for dropshippers buying from a wholesaler. You can see this image. You can also read this article for your good information. eBay policy for dropshippers, responsibility for delivery. eBay policy for dropshippers. The consequence: e-stores are going to make the big bucks this year. If you like our video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.